Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp okra soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, and 2 cups of sliced okra. Also, prepare 1 cup of chopped onion, 1/2 cup of bell pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget 4 cups of seafood or chicken broth, a 14, 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and your favorite seasonings like Cajun spice. Now, let's build the flavorful base for our soup. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, bell pepper, and minced garlic. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender and fragrant. Next, stir in the sliced okra and cook for another 5 minutes, letting it soften and release its unique texture. With our base established, it's time to add the liquids and seasonings. Pour in 4 cups of seafood or chicken broth and the 14, 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Season generously with about 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, add your shrimp during the last 5 minutes of simmering, ensuring they cook through without becoming tough. Your shrimp okra soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley or sliced green onions for a vibrant finish. This hearty soup is perfect on its own, or you can serve it with a side of fluffy white rice or some crusty bread to soak up all that delicious broth. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals. We hope you savor every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.